come help.
Oh yeah, well, I mean, you could also. No, it's for Alpha Flight, right?
Yeah.
Which would be a shame
What
to.
on earth?
It's Rain Wilson.
Well, then if we attach this to the...
Because it's a rain collecting.
We don't want to...
Actually, is it raining
I don't
tonight?
think we should tape to the box.
No.
Yeah, I thought it told me that it was a little while.
Okay, we should
We're gonna
probably
have
stick
to drop
Rain
it
Wilson on the ceiling.
down.
I mean, the roof. The outside ceiling.
Yes, at the outside ceiling.
I'll empty Rain Wilson out.
Yeah, 95% chance of rain right
Yeah.
now, right now.
Yeah,
other
yeah, yeah.
side
We
of the
gotta,
ceiling.
we gotta actually
Yeah.
collect.
We may have
Well,
run into an issue.
I'll,
What's up?
We're
Trying
trying to put this somewhere where it's clearly a